Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas. Today's video is for you interesting videos. This is amazing laundry room decoration design and very beautiful laundry room decoration ideas. For you all, today's video is going to be very interesting for you. In the video I will tell you how you can set up your laundry room and laundry room machine decoration ideas, and how you can set up machines is very nice looking. This is a very easy way for you guys. You can easily decorate laundry room, your decoration design and very beautiful decor ideas. Latest designing United States country style here and there. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. I show you a picture of home decoration and home interior design and laundry room interior decoration ideas. Latest designing English country style here and there into our hands in very beautiful hats, and subscribe this channel and very beautiful decoration design. If you can enjoy this video, and please like my video and please subscribe my channel Home Decoration Design and Home Decoration Ideas. Latest designing United States country style here and there. Very beautiful laundry room decoration design and very beautiful small laundry room machines. I hope you liked this video, and I am really excited to share this video your friends and your families, and thanks for watching this video. Until next time.